In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to tap on Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Then hit Screen Lock here. Tap on Pattern, PIN or Password. And after you decided, wait 5 seconds. Then choose Got It in the pop-up to continue. Now you can follow the tutorial here, or click on this X at the top right corner. You can also wait and hit Got It at the bottom. Finally, create your login method, and if you made a mistake, hit Clear at the bottom and redo it correctly. Now repeat it to confirm it and choose Confirm. If you wanna add a fingerprint right away, you can do that by hitting Add in the pop-up, or do it later and click on Cancel for now. At any point you can choose Fingerprint Unlock here and follow all of the instructions. But now let's check if Screen Lock worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!